Hi, what if you undocked the properties palette and the project browser and unable to dock them back properly? So don't worry, in this video I will show you how to dock, undock and stack and fix them very quickly. Let's start. You can dock whatever the panel by remembering three steps. Step number 1, place the mouse pointer on top of the title written properties. Step number 2, use left mouse click and hold. Don't leave. And step number 3, move your mouse until the mouse pointer touches the left side of the drawing area. Now you can see a rectangular highlight is getting activated. Now release your left click. That's it. The properties palette is docked. Now the same procedure for a project browser. Point your cursor, use the left mouse click, hold and move until it touches the left side of the screen. Now release. That's it. The panels are docked side by side. You can also dock them one below another. So for that, again, use the mouse pointer, place on top of the title project browser, left mouse click, hold the key, and now move your mouse until it touches the bottom of the properties. Once the mouse pointer touches the bottom of the properties title, a half highlighted outline is getting activated. Now release your mouse key. That's it. Top is the project browser and bottom is the properties palette. Again, you can undock them by placing the mouse pointer on the title, click and drag. So this is another way of docking. In order to stack them with tabs, click on the title project browser, use left mouse click, hold and move and overlap both the titles. A full outline is getting activated. Now release the mouse pointer. That's it. The properties palette and the project browser is tagged in a tabbed view. You can also switch the tab by click and drag. The properties palette is first now. Again, you can move the project browser. You can switch back and forth. And again, you can undock by simply drag. So the project browser is back and you can also fix this on the right side. Again, the same procedure on the title, left mouse click, hold until the mouse pointer touches the right side of the drawing area. Release the mouse pointer. Once you get the outline, that's it. Hope you really like the video. Hit the like button, give a thumbs up on the comment, or if you have any doubt, let me know. I will try to resolve it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you on next video. Bye.